What's up guys, welcome back to the channel for a new video. Today I'm out just for a little bit because I'm in quarantine in France, you know, but I'm just next to my house in the forest and I have this huge field here and also a small river here, so it's perfect to try my new FPV drone, which is a 3-inch CINEWHOOP. A CINEWHOOP is made to fly really slowly and going through small spaces like trees, so I'm here to practice with it and making a small video for you guys. Let's go.
Ready, set, and begin.
That was just crazy good, guys, and it's exactly why I wanted a 3-inch CINEWHOOP. They are made to fly slowly and they are more smaller than the 5-inch, also less powerful, so you can go and fly through really tiny places like forest and you have those protection around the props. And the other reason why I love the CINEWHOOP is because for commercial works, for example, you can fly inside restaurants, hotels and do like really crazy things with this. You can fake operator with a gimbal and then you can go higher and then the people are gonna be like, wow, how they do that? So that's also why I wanted a 3-inch CINEWHOOP for commercial work. And by the way, I built it by myself. I choose to build all my FPV drone by myself because in case of a crash, I can change everything. I know my quad from 0 to 100, so it's so much better like that. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe, hit that bell, and I see you soon for a new video. Take care guys and I see you soon. Bye.